My new little table arrived. Got it off of Amazon. Thought I'd hit you guys with a little unboxing. So if you're thinking about getting it, you can see how it comes packaged. See what the quality looks like. So we got a little instruction manual right there. Some foam pieces that kept it safe. And everything has arrived in great condition. Here's the 4 legs. Solid. And then you just got your hardware right here. Screws to assemble everything. So arrived in great condition. I like how it looks. Honestly, it looks a little nicer, more expensive, more high-end than I imagined it being, so happy with it.